Hi guys, just wanted to say that if you're wondering if I have tons of American Girls, I have some requests. I have three American Girls, but two of them are baby twins, and the other one is that arm that you see over there, if you can see it. I'm getting American Girl as well for Christmas. I'm getting a video camera for Christmas. And the thing I actually want to say also is, I think you know. Because if you don't know, then this sounds good. I want millions of love for Christmas. Peace. No, not peace. Not peace. This is my American Girl, Avery. I know, and I'm getting a mini American Girl. I need two because Isabel and me. This is Avery. And I just wanted to say that she is my sister, and I love her.